So we all know inflation is out of control right now. I mean, we could go on and on about how much gas prices are up, or chicken is up, and beef is up, and a grocery store just feels so expensive lately. One of the best ways to insulate yourselves against inflation is by owning real estate. And the reason why is because real estate is inflation proof. As inflation becomes higher, guess what? So do rents and so do real estate values. So let's say that you own a property and you're currently generating $500 a month worth of cash flow. Well, as inflation becomes a big issue, next time you renew the lease, you're probably able to raise the rent by $100 or $200 a month. And so it is going to continue to go up at a rate of at least inflation, sometimes even more than inflation. So if you're concerned about inflation, if you feel like you're taking all your money and setting it on fire, you might consider investing in real estate, because I think it is the best inflation insulated vehicle.